Okay, so we are going to install spotlights for my GS. We already have a fog light down there, a spotlight there, and a mini light LED. So we're gonna install one more spotlight around here, which has two functions, which is a spotlight function and the strobe function. We will link it to one switch. It's over here. Top of that, we're gonna install the tank mount for the tank bag and figure out how we fit that yellow toolbox thingy in between here. And at the same time, we are gonna have that wire installed somewhere within the battery so that we can have the SAE cable coming out for easy battery health charge. So technically we had to take out the toolbox because once the motorcycle was on two wheels on the road, on the ground, and the rider is on the bike, the toolbox kind of hit the chain protector.